In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official Squarespace guidance for moving from Shopify to Squarespace, using only the built-in Help Center. First, open your web browser and head to the Squarespace Create Your Website Start page. You can get there from the main Squarespace site. Look for the Start or Websites page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the clean Squarespace layout encouraging you to start a website. Don't worry, you don't need to start a trial or sign in for what we're doing today. We're just using this page as a reliable entry point to their support resources. Next, locate the Help Center link. Depending on your screen size, you'll typically find Help or Help Center in the top navigation or down in the site footer. Click it to jump straight into Squarespace's official support site. If it opens in a new tab, that's perfect. You can easily switch back and forth. This is a great page to bookmark so you can return anytime you have questions. Once you're in the Help Center, use the search bar at the top and type "Moving from Shopify to Squarespace." Entering that exact phrase will surface the most relevant guide. You might see it appear as a suggested result while you type. If so, select it. If you're on a smaller device and don't immediately see the search field, look for a magnifying glass icon or a menu toggle. Squarespace's support site is responsive and may tuck the search away. Now, click the article titled "Moving from Shopify to Squarespace." This is the comprehensive official walkthrough that explains how the transition works. Take a moment to scan the page layout. There's usually a table of contents near the top, clear headings, and step-by-step sections that cover what transfers, what doesn't, and any preparation you should consider. Some articles show options based on your site's version. If you see a version selector, choose the one that matches your site so the instructions align with your setup. I recommend reading the overview first to understand the scope, then diving into the sections that apply to your needs. If you prefer to keep your current page open, right-click and open the guide in a new tab so you can reference it as you work. That's all there is to it. Open the Squarespace Start page, go to the Help Center, search for "Moving from Shopify to Squarespace," and open the official guide. Pause here if you want to follow along in real time, and feel free to revisit the Help Center anytime you need clarity as you plan your move.